El Niño is a naturally occurring phenomenon in which the waters along the equator in the eastern and central Pacific become unusually warm. And when that happens, that can cause unusual atmospheric patterns in other parts of the world as well, making some places wetter, some places drier, some hotter, some cooler. So in New Jersey, some of the strongest effects of El Niño are felt in the winter months. When we have an El Niño, there tends to be a more active storm track along the east coast of the United States, and that can mean more coastal storms for us in New Jersey. One of the still unknown questions is whether or not climate change has a direct effect on El Niño. But what we can say is that when an El Niño occurs, it makes global temperature go up, basically because what's happening in an El Niño is that heat that had been stored in the ocean comes up to the surface and makes the ocean warmer. That warm water heats the atmosphere, and so usually about 3 to 6 months after an El Niño event peaks, global temperature also peaks. This has happened with some of the recent El Niños, including a strong one in 2015, 2016, and a kind of moderately strong one in 2023, 2024. So when we follow on a year-to-year basis global temperature, we will see it spike up as a result of an El Niño. What we don't know right now is whether or not climate change is affecting either the intensity or the frequency of El Niños.